Wakey wake!
Good morning, guys. So now, guys, we are going to after bath, ligo. I'm gonna get sunlight because it has many benefits in the body. Makes me feel energized. That's why we're getting the sun, guys. So now, guys, after my basketball training exercise, I will eat my breakfast. So this is it. Let's eat. So right now, guys, it's already 10 a.m. in December 10, 2025. So now I'm gonna do my after my basketball training exercise. I will make my assignment as early as possible. So Um, so now, guys, we will postpone our work and activities because it's lunch, so let's eat. So we will continue this after lunch. Hey guys.
America is concerned, the ICC has no jurisdiction.
So now guys, we will continue our work assignments, and we will have a quiz. So right now guys, I've done all my assignments, my work. So I'm gonna play Valorant and watch anime after I've done my work, for me to relax and enjoy. So right now guys, I done all my works, my recreation time, which I played because I relax from the works that I am doing. So right now I will go to my in my school. Let's change real quick. So here guys, my final outfit. So we're going to school right now. So we're going now, walking. Sa may gulo pre.
Ay, pre, okay na.
Sa okay na subject pre. Ako naglisod pre.
Wala, basic na, basic.
Yeah.
Are you understanding that? Ano ibig sabihin? If you, okay, ang data ba?
Okay pre, umano pre.
Bay!
Yan na pre. Huli namin yung tayo pre.
Kumatay ko naman siya na siya remembrance, bay. Kumatay, magbatay chiko, bay ba? Na siya remembrance.
Pre, namiri yung blood pre. So now guys, we're just walking to our home. We're walking because to save money from transportation. So let's just walk. So now guys, we will eat dinner after our school, after we go home. So we will eat our dinner. So guys, after our dinner, we're gonna watch some anime and play some online games to relieve the stress from school. So right now guys, after our long day of my life as a college student. So lastly, I will do is 11:30 p.m. is to read some Bible and pray because the strength is from Jesus, from God. So let's do this. So that's all guys. Good night. Peace.